three liquids of densities ρ1, ρ2 and ρ3 with ρ1 greater than ρ2 greater than ρ3 having the same value of surface tension T rise to the same height in three identical capillaries. The angles of contact θ1, θ2 and θ3 obeys which of the following relations in the given options? We are given the densities ρ1 greater than ρ2 greater than ρ3 and the surface tension T is same for all the liquids and height of the capillary rise is also same for all the liquids. We need to compare the angles of contact θ1, θ2 and θ3. We know the formula for capillary rise is given by H equals 2T cos theta by rho gr, where H is the height of the liquid column, T is the surface tension, theta is angle of contact, rho is the density of the liquid, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and r is the radius of the capillary. Since the height h and surface tension T are the same for all liquids, we get 2T cos theta 1 by rho 1 equals 2T cos theta 2 by rho 2 equals 2T cos theta 3 by rho 3. Since rho 1 is greater than rho 2 greater than rho 3, for the equality to hold, cos theta 1 less than cos theta 2, which is less than cos theta 3. So this implies theta 1 is greater than theta 2, which is greater than theta 3. Thus, for capillary rise to occur, the range of theta should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than pi by 2. Therefore, theta 1 is greater than or equal to 0 and less than theta 2, less than theta 3 and less than pi by 2. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.